In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Facebook Marketplace History 2026. Full guide. If your marketplace results feel cluttered or you just want a fresh start, clearing your search history is a quick way to reset the suggestions you see. This doesn't remove your saved items, messages with sellers, or your account activity, just the list of searches Marketplace uses to personalize what it shows you. Here's what we're doing. First, open the Facebook app or website and head straight to Marketplace. You can find Marketplace on the main navigation bar. It's the section where you browse local listings and search for items. Once you're in Marketplace, tap the search bar at the top. This is important because your recent searches are tied to the Marketplace search experience. Tapping the search bar will reveal your recent searches underneath, along with tools to manage them. Next, look for an option labeled Edit or See All next to your recent searches. Depending on your device or the current app version, Facebook may show one or the other. Both take you to the same place, the full list of your recent Marketplace searches. If you don't immediately see the option, give the page a moment to load or scroll slightly within the search view. Sometimes the control appears after a short pause. Now tap Clear Searches. You'll typically see a confirmation prompt to make sure you want to remove the entire list. Clearing your searches is immediate. And once it's done, the Recent Searches section will be empty. The next time you use Marketplace, results won't be influenced by your past queries until you start searching again. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind. Clearing Marketplace search history is separate from clearing your overall Facebook search history. This action only affects what you've searched within Marketplace. It won't change your saved searches, alerts, or notifications you've explicitly set up elsewhere. Also, wording can vary slightly over time, but the flow is the same. Open Marketplace, tap the search bar, choose Edit or See All, then Clear Searches. If you share your device or just want more privacy around what you've been browsing, repeating this process occasionally helps keep things tidy. And if something doesn't look exactly like what you see here, make sure you're in the Marketplace section and not the main Facebook search. That's all there is to it. You now know how to clear your Facebook Marketplace search history quickly and confidently so you can browse with a clean slate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.